Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best running shoes for lower back pain in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Brooks Ghost 13. Brooks have designed this shoe with those who don't have a pronounced arch in mind. The shoe is not restrictive or tight around the midsole but rises and narrows towards your ankle, fitting the shape of the neutral foot perfectly. If you try this shoe on, your feet will be so snug that you might as well be running in slippers. The Ghost also has a high energizing thick sole, meaning the kinetic energy you put into planting your foot will propel you forward faster and reduce the impact and therefore strain on your knees and lower back. Plus, this shoe has great grip, and its sole looks like it has teeth. This means you'll be able to run on tarmac, woody trails, or even on grass. It is one of the best running shoes on the market, but if you have a neutral foot position, you should consider purchasing this shoe. Pros: great for those with a low arch and neutral foot position. Its shape is perfect to not restrict or cramp your foot. Thick, high energizing, reactive sole. Has a grippy outsole. Contains segmented crash absorbers that will take the sting out of however you land on your feet. Number 2. Our second best pick is Brooks Women's Adrenaline GTS 20. Brooks are renowned for providing their users with a truly comfortable and smooth ride, and it's no different with the Adrenaline GTS. This trainer is designed to support the most injury-prone parts of the runner's body, aka your knees, by installing what they call guide rails around the heel and instep your foot. As one of our favorite features, the guide rails keep you from swaying and moving within the shoe, ensuring your running action follows a natural gait. The shoe is well cushioned with its innovative Bioemogo DNA and DNA Loft crash pad cushion sole. It gives you the best responsiveness, allowing you to spring into your run, but cushions each impact, distributing the shock away from more vulnerable areas of your body like your knees and ankles. We definitely recommend trying out this trainer if you get sore knees while you're running. Pros: trendy design. Breathable lightweight mesh upper keeps your feet cool. Smooth, easy ride. Guide rails stop non-natural movement in your foot while you run, helping to protect your knees. Responsive and springy soles provide great cushioning. Number 3. Our third best pick is ASICS Women's Gel-Kayano 27. ASICS are one of the most reputable running brands in the world. Providing running shoes and equipment to Olympic athletes and marathon runners around the world, you'll know you're getting a quality shoe when you purchase the Gel-Kayano 27. We love this lightweight shoe for its super spongy flight foam sole and its gel technology system. ASICS's flight foam layer is spread out along the base of the shoe and is made of organic fibers that don't compress easily when you put your whole weight down on the sole of your shoe, with the foam layer springing you back into your step as you bound around the running track. Plus, ASICS' world-renowned gel technology system is spread towards the front and rear of the shoe, providing a layer of bouncy silicone that absorbs the shock of your heel and the sole of your foot hitting the track. This greatly reduces the stress being placed on your knees and lower back as you run. These are the best shoes you can get to be free of back pain while running. Pros: lightweight shoes. Made of a breathable mesh upper that allows your foot to breathe. Gel technology reduces impact and helps reduce the stress on your knees and lower back. Flight foam provides support. Comfortable internal lining prevents chafing. Specifically designed for runners with back pain. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ASICS Men's Gel-Nimbus 22. This is probably one of the most supportive running shoes on the market, sporting ASICS' innovative gel and flight foam technologies. But one of the great things about this trainer is the added bubble of flight foam situated in the midsole of the trainer. If your midsole is not fully supported with little shock absorption points around it, the stress going through the ball of your foot will shoot up to your knees and lower back and put a strain on these two weak points. This trainer combats against this with its gel support situated at the heel, an explosive foam insole, and abrasive rubber placed around the sole of the shoe, giving increased durability when you're pacing through rough terrain. Pros: provides superior support to your foot, ankle, knees, and lower back. Gel and flight foam reduce the stress and shock being placed on your knees. Also has reflective patches on it to keep you visible when running in the dark. Durable abrasive rubber soles mean these running shoes can take a beating and will last a long time. Heel is fully secured to give your Achilles better support. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Saucony Women's Kinvara 11. Optimized for speed to help you take down those personal bests, the Kinvara is one of the most flexible running shoes on this list, allowing your foot to flex and bend naturally. You don't want a trainer that will restrict your foot's movement, and keeping your foot rigid within your shoe can restrict your foot's natural movements and place greater strain on your back when you're not flexing and running correctly. The Kinvara's purr and cushioning can flex and transition easily as you glide across the ground, while also giving you the support you need to take on those long miles. One of the great things about this shoe is that it also accommodates those with slightly wider feet. It has a wide breadth across its laces, meaning your foot won't feel cramped when you're pacing through the miles. Pros: a very flexible shoe that conforms to your foot's movements. Its soft base gives you your knees and back added support as you run. Great for those with a wide foot span. Extremely lightweight and is a great option if you're looking for speed. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.